So now let's look here. We have medial malleolus, sustentaculum tali, and navicular. Okay, so what's in between right there? That's the neck of the talus. Sustentaculum tali, navicular, neck. Yes? So if the windshield wiper is going out but can't come in, I need the navicular to come lateral to medial for the windshield wiper to come in. Yes? Mm-hmm. So it's very hard to get it to go that way, but it's easier to hold the navicular up and set the neck of the talus down. So you get the drop piece, you bring the foot up, you load the neck of the talus, and you lift and pull down as you set the table. Boom. And you hit the, what are you setting lateral to medial? The talus, but you're holding the navicular, so it's coming lateral to medial.